Hello students, welcome to online lecture 2 on chemical bonding. In the previous lecture we had studied about ionic bond formation along with the examples of ionic compounds and their properties. In this lecture we are going to study covalent bond formation along with the examples of each type of covalent bond. How covalent bond is formed? Covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of electrons in pairs between the two similar or dissimilar atoms, both of which contributes equal number of electrons. Depending upon the sharing of pair of electrons, there are three types of covalent bonds: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. Let us learn each type of covalent bond. When covalent compound is formed by mutual sharing of one pair of electrons or two electrons between the two atoms, then the bond form is called as single covalent bond and it is represented as single dash as shown here. The examples of single covalent bonded compounds are hydrogen molecule, that is H-H, chlorine molecule Cl-Cl, water molecule and methane molecule. Second type of covalent bond is double covalent bond, represented as double dash between the two combining atoms. When covalent compound is formed by mutual sharing of two pairs of electrons or four electrons altogether between the two combining atoms, then the bond form is called as double covalent bond and it is represented as double dash. For example, oxygen molecule O double bond O, carbon dioxide molecule CO2, where there is a double covalent bond between carbon and each of the oxygen atoms. Then ethylene molecule C2H4. There is a double bond between these two carbon atoms, that is C double bond C. Third type of covalent bond is triple covalent bond, represented as triple dash. When covalent compound is formed by mutual sharing of three pairs of electrons or six electrons between the two combining atoms, then the bond form is called as triple covalent bond. Example of triple covalent bonded compounds are nitrogen molecule and acetylene molecule. Nitrogen N triple bond N, and in acetylene molecule there is a triple covalent bond between the two carbon atoms, that is C triple bond C. Now let us study single covalent bond along with the formation of covalent compounds. Example 1 of single covalent bond formation compound, that is formation of water molecule. Okay, this is a chemical formula of water molecule, that is H2O. There are two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Hydrogen atom with atomic number 1, it has 1 valence electrons. Each hydrogen atom is in short of 1 electron to complete its duplet. Then we have oxygen atom in the water molecule with atomic number 8, its configuration 2, 6. Oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons. So oxygen is in short of 2 electrons to complete its octet. So during the formation of this water molecule, each hydrogen atom contributes its 1 valence electron to share mutually with central oxygen atom. Oxygen atom has 6 valence electron. So oxygen atom also contributes its 1 electron to share mutually with hydrogen atom. Okay, so that hydrogen also complete its duplet and oxygen atom also completes its octet. This hydrogen also completes its duplet. So there is one pair of electrons shared between oxygen atom and each of these hydrogen atom, so that the hydrogen and oxygen complete their duplet and octet respectively and get bonded by a single covalent bond between oxygen and hydrogen atom. Second example of single covalent bond is formation of chlorine molecule. Okay, chlorine atom has atomic number 17, its configuration is 287, and the number of valence electrons are 7 with each chlorine atom. There are 2 chlorine atoms in Cl2 molecule, that is diatomic. Each chlorine atom is in short of 1 electron to complete its octet. Hence, 2 chlorine atoms combine to form a molecule by sharing a pair of electrons between them. Therefore, single covalent bond is formed between the 2 chlorine atoms. In this electron dot and cross formula, it is shown 2 chlorine atoms with 7 valence electrons. Then each chlorine atom contributes its 1 unpaired electron during the formation of Cl2 molecule, and they both share a single pair of electrons between them, so that Cl-Cl single covalent bond is formed between the 2 combining chlorine atoms. And thus, by sharing this one pair of electrons, which becomes a common property of both these chlorine atoms, and they acquire their octet and become stable. Coming to double covalent bond, let us take example of formation of CO2 molecule. In double covalent bond, 2 pairs of electrons are shared mutually between the 2 combining similar or dissimilar atoms, or 4 electrons are mutually shared between the 2 combining atoms. So, take the example of formation of carbon dioxide molecule. Carbon atom with atomic number 6 with electronic configuration 2,4. It has 4 valence electrons. So each carbon atom is in short of 4 electrons to complete its octet. We have oxygen atom in CO2 molecule with atomic number 8 and its configuration is 2,6. Number of valence electrons in oxygen are 6. So oxygen is in short of 2 electrons to complete its octet. So during the formation of CO2 molecule, we have at the center carbon with its 4 valence electron and 2 oxygen atoms on either sides of carbon with their 6 valence electrons. Okay. So oxygen atom contributes 2 electrons for sharing with central carbon atoms. Okay. So carbon atom also contributes its 2 electrons for sharing with oxygen atoms, so that 2 pairs of electrons are shared equally by carbon atom and each oxygen atom. Okay, which results in the formation of double covalent bond between carbon atom and oxygen atom. Okay. C double bond O, C double bond O. So there is a double bond formation between the carbon atom and each of these oxygen atom. Okay, by sharing 2 pairs of electrons or 4 electrons, carbon completes its octet and each oxygen atom also completes its octet. Next example of double bond formation is oxygen molecule. In oxygen, we have two oxygen atoms. So oxygen atom with atomic number 8 has electronic configuration 2,6. Each oxygen atom is in short of 2 electrons to complete its octet. Thus, oxygen molecule is formed by sharing two pairs of electrons between the two oxygen atoms. Two shared pairs form a double covalent bond between the two combining oxygen atom. Here, oxygen atom with 6 valence electrons are shown by using electron dot and cross formula. Each oxygen atom contributes its 2 electrons for sharing with the other oxygen atom, which results in the formation of double covalent bond between the two oxygen atoms, so that both of these oxygen atom completes their octet. Here in this diagram you can see 2 plus 2, 4 plus these 4 electrons, that is two shared pair of electrons, also belong to this oxygen atom as well as this oxygen atom. So mutual sharing of the electron pairs takes place so that both of these oxygen atom completes its octet. Third type of covalent bond is triple covalent bond, and the example is formation of nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen molecule with atomic number 7 has electronic configuration 2,5. So number of valence electrons in nitrogen is 5. Each nitrogen atom is in short of 3 electrons to complete the octet. Thus, nitrogen molecule is formed by sharing 3 pairs of electrons. 3 shared pairs of electrons form a triple covalent bond between the two combining nitrogen. Here in this diagram, nitrogen atoms are shown with 5 valence electrons. Okay, 2 nitrogen atoms, and these 3 electrons of one nitrogen atoms are made available for sharing with these 3 electrons of another nitrogen atom. Okay, so that 3 pairs of electrons are shown which are mutually shared by both of these nitrogen atoms, so that each nitrogen atom completes its octet. Okay, and it leads to the formation of triple covalent bond between the two combining nitrogen atoms. Next example of triple covalent bond is formation of acetylene molecule C2H2. There is a triple covalent bond between the two carbon atoms. Okay, so carbon atom, 2 carbon atoms are shown here with valence electrons 4 and 2 hydrogen atoms are shown here with 1 valence electrons. Okay, so these carbon atoms share, out of these 4 valence electrons, carbon shares its 3 electrons with other carbon atom. Okay, so both the carbon atoms mutually share 3 pairs of electrons with each other, and remaining 1 electron is made available for sharing with 1 hydrogen atom. Okay, so 3 plus 3, 6 plus these 2, this carbon atom completes its octet, and for this carbon 6 electrons and these 2 electrons, that is 8, it also completes its octet. So there is a triple covalent bond between the two combining carbon atoms and one single covalent bond between each carbon and each hydrogen atom. Properties of covalent bond and its compounds. Covalent bond is formed by sharing of an electron pair. Okay, so equally both the combining atoms contribute equal number of electrons which are shared mutually by both the combining atoms. Covalent bond is always formed between the two non-metal atoms. Okay. Covalent bonded compounds have low melting and boiling points. Covalent bond is more stronger than the ionic bonds due to the overlap of orbitals. Covalent compounds are insoluble in water. They do not dissolve in water. Okay. Covalent compounds do not ionize, that is, they do not form ions on dissolving in water, and hence they do not conduct the electricity. Okay. As ions are not formed, so covalent compounds are bad conductor of electricity. Thank you everyone.